Here we are, under the car, ready to drop out the, nothing wrong with it, 10-bolt Chevy diff, single spinner, 273 gearing, and we're about to, we made a big mess with brake fluid, and unfortunately I have to use the flaring tool for the first time, which is pretty darn scary, because the brake things don't match up. If you can see up there, I couldn't stop the drips for the WT reservoir part, so I zip tied an old thumb off a glove, off a nitrite glove, and so far so good. It stopped the dripping, because we don't want it dripping on the new diff. So we are pretty much ready now to lower the diff down and then unbolt the drive shaft and the diff guard that you can see, the drive shaft guard there, and then we should be able to just roll it out. Hopefully we haven't forgotten anything. Cool. Alright guys, we finally got rid of the, coming on dark last night, we got rid of the old 10-bolt, which is really nothing wrong with it, other than just a lot of scaly rust. Did my first flaring job, which I don't know how well that's going to work yet on the brake lines. These ones here have been cut. One of them had stripped the little end piece, so I'll just leave them cut for now. And over here, I've just set in down there the two handbrake cables for the disc brake. So I've just set that in, and now we're about to roll the differential into place and hopefully be able to bleed the brakes up with no leaks, and hopefully be able to get her in, put oil in the diff and see what we got. So yeah, progress update. It is Sunday at 2 PM.